Welcome to Decorum Co. This is the assembly video for the Decorum Co. student desk with shelf 1200. Before you begin, you will need a Phillips screwdriver which will come in handy when assembling the desk. Please ensure you have received an instruction manual, all the required panels to assemble the desk, as well as a packet containing the necessary hardware. If you need assistance or notice any missing parts, please contact us via WhatsApp or email as shown at the beginning of this assembly video. You may scan the QR code to reach us directly on WhatsApp. Separate your cam pins and dowels and count them to ensure you have received the correct quantities before beginning. Before beginning the assembly process, a brief demonstration of the cam pin system will be shown. To assemble your furniture securely, we use a cam pin system, as shown in this demonstration. This process involves the following steps. A Phillips screwdriver is needed. Place the cam into the larger hole in the panel, ensuring that the arrow on the face of the cam points toward the nearest edge. This edge contains the corresponding hole where the cam pin will be inserted. Insert the cam pin into the designated small hole and screw it in firmly using a Phillips screwdriver. When connecting panels, align the cam pin with the corresponding cam hole. Once the cam pin is inserted into a hole containing a cam, use a screwdriver to turn the cam clockwise until it locks securely in place. This locks the panels together, creating a strong and stable connection. If disassembly is needed, simply rotate the cam counterclockwise to unlock and separate the panels. Additionally, wooden dowels are included for extra support, further reinforcing the structure of your furniture. To begin the assembly of your student desk, prepare the Modesty panel. Insert 5 cams P1 into the large holes, ensuring the arrows on the cams face the closest edge of the panel. Insert 1 cam pin P2 using a Phillips screwdriver and place 3 dowels P3 into the medium-sized holes. Assemble the shelf. Insert 5 cams into the holes on shelf side B, arrows facing the nearest edge. On shelf bottom C, insert 2 cams, screw into cam pins, and add 2 dowels. Position shelf side B onto shelf bottom C and tighten the cams securely. Attach the shelf to the Modesty panel by aligning the assembled shelf B and C with the Modesty panel and tighten the cams. Prepare the sides to be attached. For right side E, insert 2 cams P1, 3 cam pins P2, and for dowels P3, then attach to Modesty panel on the side with the shelf. For left side D, insert 2 cams, 1 cam pin, and 2 dowels, then attach to Modesty panel on the side without the shelf. Tighten all cams securely. Tighten all cams securely. Prepare and attach the top panel. Insert 9 cam pins and 12 dowels into the designated holes on top panel F. Align top panel F with Modesty panel A and tighten the cams. Tighten all cams securely using your Phillips screwdriver to ensure the table is stable and sturdy upon completion. Your Decorum Co student desk with shelf 1200 is now complete. For care and use, wipe with a soft, dry cloth or a lightly dampened one and avoid harsh cleaners or excessive moisture to prevent damage. For any further assistance, feel free to reach out to us via WhatsApp or email.